Let's keep it real. Social media can be very exhausting. I mean, really. You post about your book, you cross your fingers for engagement, and then crickets. But I'm going to spill the truth to you. If you're reliant only on social media to sell your book, you're leaving money on the table. Most authors ignore the number one asset that can bring them consistent book sales, loyal readers, and even high ticket clients. What is it? A email list. Yes, a email list. So in today's video, I'm breaking down why every author, yes, even if you hate email, you need an email list. How it's going to help you really sell more books and how to start building yours today. No more waiting around. You're going to build it today. But first, let's talk about why social media alone isn't enough. Most authors think if you keep posting that your book sales will grow, but I'm going to be honest, okay? Social media is a great thing, but it's not the only thing. Here's some social media problems that you're going to have. The algorithm. Only 5 to 10% of your audience actually sees your posts. Posts disappear fast. Your content is gone in 24 to 48 hours. And also, you don't own your audience. If your account gets hacked, which this happened to me before, or if it's shut down, you lose everything. And that feeling when my Facebook page got shut down, I lost everything. It's back up now. But I'm just talking about the feeling that I had to have to rebuild over again. I lost everything. And that's not a great feeling. Here's the great thing about having your own email list. It's yours. No algorithm can take it away. It's direct. Your message lands right in your reader's inbox and it converts. Email marketing sells 3 to 5 times more than social media all alone. Here's a fact. Most successful authors make more from their email list than their social media. And I'm most authors. I'm most authors. So let's get into the meat and potatoes, and I'm going to give you the steps you need to take to build your email list. Okay, first step, you need to build your email list with a simple freebie. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. I don't want to spam people with email. It's not spam. Okay, the good news is that you don't have to. Instead, you provide value first. And the best way to grow your email list is with a freebie or what we call a lead magnet. Okay. Now, what can you offer for a lead magnet? A free book chapter, give a sneak peek to hook your readers, checklists, guides, or even a workbook is great. Something quick and actionable related to your book. So, like mini trainings, videos, you can teach a short lesson based on your book's topic. So, let me give you an example. A mini her author I work with offered a free self-publishing checklist in exchange for emails. She built her email list to 500 plus potential buyers before even launching her book. This is the second step. You need to automate your welcome email sequence. Okay. So you have a freebie. Now, what do? You need an automated email sequence that warms up your new subscribers and leads them to buy your book. Okay. Your first 3 emails should look like this. So, email number 1, have a welcome and make sure you deliver that freebie you promise. Introduce yourself and provide some value. Okay. Email 2, share your story. Tell them why you actually wrote your book. Email 3, offer your book. Invite them to buy and share testimonials if possible. So, one of the things I did, I used a strategy where I had used this strategy for my books all of the time. And I have more and more people to buy my books before it actually launches. I go ahead and start promoting this strategic freebie, putting it out there and making my book the obvious choice to buy when they want to have said results from that freebie. So it all lines in together. Make this easy, okay? Are you ready to turn your passion for publishing into a profitable business? Well, in the Hybrid Publishers Playbook, you're going to get the tools and strategies you need to build a thriving hybrid publishing company from scratch. Whether you're an aspiring publisher, a small press owner, or a publishing consultant, this step-by-step guide makes the process simple and profitable. Inside, you'll discover what hybrid publishing is and how it's reshaping the industry. You'll also learn how to create author packages and deliver exceptional services. You'll also learn the strategies to attract clients and grow your business, the complete publishing pipeline from manuscript to market. And when you grab the paperback, you'll unlock exclusive resources, including a hybrid publishing business checklist, ready to use author package templates, and also a marketing strategy workbook, and plus so much more. Packed with actionable advice, this mini her book is your key to launching and scaling your publishing business without the overwhelm. So you're ready to start your profitable publishing journey today? Go ahead and grab your copy of the Hybrid Publishers Playbook now. I put the link in the description. Number 3, you got to consistently email your list without feeling overwhelmed, okay? Now, let's talk about what to send after your welcome sequence. So that's all done. And most authors will say, I don't know what to say to my email list. But here's the secret. Emailing doesn't mean selling all the time. It's about nurturing your audience, okay? Here are 3 easy email ideas that you can email your list. Personal stories always work. Share behind the scenes content of your author journey. Also give tips and value, like teach something that complements your book. And also you want to have the promotions and launching. So you announcing your new book, discounts, and exclusive offers. So a mini her book author I know started emailing at least once a week with short, valuable tips. So within 90 days, she tripled her book sales without running ads. You can do this. You just got to be consistent at. Now, step number 4, I want to talk about turning your email list into multiple income streams, because your email list isn't just for book sales. It's a tool to build your author brand and business. Here are some ways that you can actually monetize your email list. You can offer book bundles and special offers, like those exclusive discounts for your subscribers. You can do this with digital products and courses. You can sell workbooks, mini courses, or even templates, coaching, and consulting. So you can offer a higher ticket service based on your book's topic. Remember, all of this is around your book topic. So don't make this hard, okay? So you can turn your book into a $97 mini course and promote it to your list. You can make like $2,500, $2,500, in a weekend, just because you did step number 2, and you were consistent. And because you were consistent in emailing your list every week and providing value, when it's time to sell, you'll be able to make money in a weekend. Now, if you're ready to grow your email list, sell more books, and turn your list into income, I want to help you inside the Profitable Publishers Collective. Inside of the collective, we do have a module where I'm showing you step by step on growing your email list, creating that automation, giving you email templates and content strategies to engage with your audience. And also you get live support. Okay, you get live support in a community of women building profitable publishing business. So I want you to drop the word collective in the comments so I can send you over the link so you can come on over and join us today. I want you to remember that your book is amazing, but don't let it just sit there without a real marketing strategy. An email list gives you control. It gives you consistency and book sales on autopilot. If this video was helpful, be sure you subscribe for more mini her book writing and publishing strategies. And let me know in the comments, do you have an email list yet? If not, What's stopping you? Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.